Hi! So I've got Miss Fancy here. This is our first one and we have washed our hands. Elaine's my support bubble, so we're allowed to be next to each other. I've never really cooked classic English food, so we really wanted to make Piccalilli so I can smuggle it to Italy for my relations, because I've never had it if I get to go. So we've got jars, we've got veg, Elaine's got the herbs. Chef, lead the way.
So today we're going to make Piccalilli, and I'm going to instruct Angela on how to prepare. So off we go.
Okay, what's the first bit?
So we're first going to, we've washed all the vegetables.
And our hands.
And our hands clean, and we're going to prepare the vegetables for salting.
We do have no shoes on, so we suggest you do that at home as well. Okay, so I'm going to cut an onion.
So
Okay.
literally,
So what's the best way,
take
like
the
that?
skins off, yeah.
Bear with me, I'm quite slow, potentially.
Okay, and we'll use
Do you cut yours in half?
Yeah.
Like that? Then I de-skin.
And T-skin, yeah.
We're using Elaine's fancy bowl for remnants because she's got nice stuff.
And we'll put that into the recycling. So make sure you take all the skins off, Ange.
So that first skin
yeah, and then
goes
there's
too. So I
another
always
bit
think I'm
there.
wasting it.
No, but we don't want that in.
Okay.
Okay, so take all of that off. That's fine.
That one's alright?
okay.
So another one.
Yep.
Okay, my eyes are sore, but I think I'm going a bit blurry anyway.
I think we're all going a bit bloody in this
Absolutely.
COVID.
So we did get drenched with rain before, so we don't have any mustard. What do we not have?
Mustard powder.
So that'll be added later
Yeah.
at a more important time.
Yeah. The thing is, we've got the basic things that we need to do the Piccalilli
Exactly,
with,
chef.
so we're all good. I just don't want her to cut her hands off.
Do you know that my dad has cut his fingers off with a saw thing? His brother had cut them off, cutting wood.
Well, let's not hope. No, we'll just leave the onions there.
Yeah,
And if we just put the onions
there.
into the bowl just now, and we'll prep the other bits of vegetables that we need to prep.
This is the cauliflower.
So basically, if you take all the
Take
leaves
that.
off,
These are quite small, aren't they?
yeah,
They all seem quite small lately when I
Yeah.
go to buy one.
and then we'll just break them into florets for the.
So we don't need to cut them.
No, but if we cut the
Do you want
stalk
to show
off,
me how to do
yeah,
it?
cut there,
I do love cauliflower.
and then yeah, it's amazing. And then you will literally, well, you can just cut it in half,
Yeah. This is what I've always wanted because I always cut them so badly.
yeah, and then just pull the florets out, and we just put them to the side. So literally, if you do
Can
that.
you use the leaves for anything?
The leaves are amazing. You
But
can
what would
braise them in olive oil, and,
Yeah.
and you know, you could deep fry them.
Do we want biggish or small?
Small florets. Well, you just have to remove and just basically break them off. And make sure that you've not got any of the stalk. You don't want the stalk because,
We are in here
It's the
because
last
Elaine's
thing.
kitchen is quite small in her new house.
yeah, very.
What are we going to do next time? Well, you...
I don't know. Maybe because it's coming run up to Christmas, we might do like some mince pies. So something Christmassy, I think, to kind of cheer everyone up. I
That's
think.
going there.
Okay, so we've got all that, and now we'll literally just clear that.
I should have an
board a little
apron on,
bit.
really, shouldn't I?
Well, you should.
Or a
but
hat.
It's fine. It's fine.
So we've got the next veg.
Yeah, great.
It's only a half a...
We'll peel the carrot.
Okay. Do you chop your head off first?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
it's all right. Got it. And then if you peel those,
I do like a peel.
yeah. Okay, and then the other one. And then we want to do the same with the cucumber. Okay, and then we want to basically cut the cucumber in half and we'll de-seed it.
This is what I've always wanted to know how to do.
Okay, so basically if you cut it in half,
Oops,
yeah,
sorry, my hands.
and then we actually should use a teaspoon
I'll get a teaspoon.
to de-seed the cucumber.
So I can never de-seed, this is really dumb, chilies.
Okay.
I just always just go, oh damn, just cut them.
No, just I always do mine.
So
with
you
a little
slide
spoon.
like that with a knife?
But with
under-
these, just basically go to the top and pull down.
Oh wow, so you're not
And
losing
you've
heaps of
de-seeded
quantity.
cucumber. And you can do the other one.
So you're not losing heaps of...
No.
Oh.
But just pull down.
It's been a long time since I held a cucumber.
Well, there you go. Well, it's a small one. That's it. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we have to do is we have to then cut these.
Yeah.
So literally, we will cut the cucumber.
Into lengths or...
I think we'll cut it in half, and then we'll do like a dice. So in half, and then cut down.
Like that?
Yep. Perfect.
I feel like my mother, the way she cuts.
Okay, and then literally, if we then just cut into small, just that. Try and just keep the knife on the board and push away.
Okay.
Okay.
So
And then once you've done everything,
like that?
no, once you've done everything, let's bring all this, no, that's fine, but keep this and then push away.
Like
No,
that?
no, yeah, but what you want to do is have the stuff, you can put that there, and then literally just then push away, so it's nice and clean. Yeah?
Nice.
Okay, perfect. And then we'll do the same with the carrots.
So I'm cutting these in half.
Actually, we can just put them in here because we're going to salt them.
I always think my carrots come out a bit badly, not even, like you know, yeah. So you need to show the good cutting.
So with these, I would just do exactly the same. I mean,
Too long.
you
Yeah.
can literally cut them again, and you could be, you know, but we'll just do that. It's easy. We're just teaching at the beginning, and they're small, a small dice.
I love a carrot.
That's fine. That will be fine. It depends how chunky you want your Piccalilli, but keep everything to the side, and then, you know, just so your board is nice and clear.
So I'm just
cut in half, cut in half,
cutting
down
half.
the middle. No, in the middle.
Oh.
Cut in half. That's it.
And then I'm dicing.
Yeah, and then dicing.
That's going to take a while
Yeah, but it's
to
fine.
master that.
But once you keep, if you do
you keep the knife on the...
so you push the knife away from you.
Like that?
So you keep it on the board.
I think I've got a direction
Yeah.
problem. Oh,
No, in half.
Half. Okay. So the knife shouldn't come out of it really.
Yeah, if you just take the knife, I'll show you.
This is gonna.
So then, literally, and this is years of experience, but
Yeah.
you literally just, you up and down like that, so it literally
nice
doesn't
movement.
leave
The board.
the board. I'm going to just remove these. And push that way so you've got room.
Okay.
Push
I'll
the
push
veg
it.
away.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing well because you're keeping your hands in, so we're all good. We're all
My
fingers
fingers
intact.
aside.
We're not going to Homerton just yet.
No, that's another day. So will we cut the onions? Because that's going to be a bit teary, isn't it? Actually, I'm okay usually, but... Oh, lost my rhythm.
That's okay.
Is
Now
it
just
okay?
we've put that into there. Normally, if you get the board, we would lift that up and push.
I
and
want
put
those
that
stylish ways.
there. Yeah. Okay. Now we do the onions. Now,
Can we do one onion each? So
yeah, it's fine. If you, so if you want to cut this one, we literally have to.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's because you.
And then
So you don't make
down.
them so circular.
Yeah. And then we just cut through. Just push that way. But then we've got a small dice.
Yeah, you don't think we don't dice anymore. Don't
No,
over
that's
dice.
fine. That's fine. So we can do that. Can you manage that one?
So am I going like there?
Yeah. Along the line, but from the bottom.
Oh, from the
From the bottom, and then work the way up. Just watch your fingers.
like that.
Yeah, that's good.
So-
Not right. No, don't pull it right off. Leave it because
Oh,
you
yeah.
want it all intact. Otherwise,
Sure.
we're not going to be able to cut it.
Okay.
Okay,
And
it's
then-
fine. And then literally just turn that round and then down with the lines, and this is going to be
I've
slightly
never
harder.
cut one ever like that.
Well, there you go. That might be a wee bit. Let me do this
Yeah,
one.
you
can
do
another one.
We'll
because
let Elaine do the onions.
these no, you can do one, but it's just because it's just a bit not very
I
intact.
like your way better.
Okay, so push that over.
And obviously
The last two.
we'll be a bit tidier next time.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we just need to tidy as we go,
Just
but that's
tidy as we
fine.
go.
Okay, so the last two. You
Okay.
try one. So
So
literally.
I'm going right from the bottom.
Yeah.
Tell me, is it right?
Yeah,
Oh,
right
that's-
along, but don't go right to the end.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then take the knife out.
Take the knife out.
Yeah, and keep
this?
no, keep going up. Another keep going up the onion.
Oh, you go twice.
You go up as far as you can.
Oh, you keep going
going.
up. Oh, I didn't
Keep
see
going
that.
up
I
to
think
the
your
end.
our hands were covering.
Keep going to the end.
Yeah.
Not right. No, not right to the end. But
yeah.
just keep going to the end of the onion, the top.
I've never done this before in my life.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Another one. And
Yeah.
then slice down.
Like this?
Yeah, but keep the knife. Keep the knife, literally at the tip. So you want to go in and down.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember, this is Ange's first time,
There's time.
so you know. Oops.
Oh, she's done a walk. Okay.
Okay,
What do we
yeah.
do now to fix
Right,
that?
okay, okay, yeah. So it's a bit too far, but let's fix that. We'll just do that.
Don't put your fingers in your eyes.
Okay.
Do you cry when you do onions still?
Sometimes,
Do you?
yeah.
Is it true if you put a tap on?
Well, I've
good,
you know,
good,
I mean,
good.
people use lots of other ways of doing things, but anyway, and then we'll do the last one. It's literally.
Amazing. I've never seen that in my life done like that.
Well, there we go. Okay. And then these will be salted overnight, basically.
So those
of
will
all the
soak.
salt veggies, yeah. And that'll draw all the moisture out of them.
It's rock salt, is it? Or
Yeah.
sea salt?
Yeah, and that's basically all that we need to do for that. And then we let them salt, obviously, overnight for the piccalilli.
Well, that seems...
And then we go and then do the liquid.
Okay, so then we're going to go into the kitchen and
Yeah.
see the last bit. So now this is the second part. Elaine, tell us what we're doing.
Okay, so we've basically adding the sugar to the vinegar and letting that dissolve, and then adding all the rest of our spices, and then we add our cauliflower and carrots and everything for the piccalilli into the pan, and let that basically simmer for 10 minutes. So we now just add all the spices which I've measured out. So there's everything there: cardamom, there's mustard powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, turmeric, ginger, black pepper. Yeah, so that's all going in now. We bring this to the boil. And then we add our vegetables. And let that cook out for 10 minutes.
So what are we doing now?
So
We've
now,
boiled it.
now we boiled it for 10 minutes, and now we're adding the corn flour to thicken to make the piccalilli. And then we'll cook out for another 5 minutes. So we're just taking some of the hot liquid and putting it into the corn flour to thicken it up. And then we add this to our mixture. And then we will have piccalilli.
And so then after that, we've sterilised our jars.
By sterilising jars, you can either put them through a dishwasher,
Yeah.
or basically through kind of boiling water. I mean, obviously not boiling from the kettle because they will smash, but as long as they're hot and sterilised, and the lids too.
And how long you just leave it for? How long?
Just you put them in and out basically.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, I'm just mixing some of this hot liquid into the corn flour, and then we add this to our mixture.
And that is piccalilli to be jarred.
It
Presents
sure
for
is,
Christmas.
Angela.
Thanks, Elaine.
And this will be going off to Italy.
Let's fingers crossed, people. Fingers crossed.
Hurrah!
Hurrah!